So Ria said, I am busy. In this first rule that you have to remove commas and inverted commas. Second is reported verb. Check this. Reported verb, if it is in present tense or in future tense, then you are not supposed to change the tense of this part. Is it okay? But when it is in past tense, mostly it comes in past tense only. So whenever it is in past tense, the rule is that you have to change the tense of this part. Is it okay? Now, Ria said, in place of these commas and inverted commas, we are going to use conjunction that. Is it okay? So Ria said that first person pronoun changes according to the subject. So Ria said that she was busy. Is it okay? And one more thing, when the reported verb is said to, you will change it into told. Then don't use to. Is it okay? These are basic rules. I am just discussing basic rules. Is it okay? Am I clear? Any doubt? Yes, any doubt? Mehak and Bhavika, your answer is correct. Okay, so let's start with interrogative now. Interrogative type. There are two types of questions. Two types of questions. First is that can be answered in yes, no. These are called yes, no type. Second is WH type. Is it okay? First is yes, no. Second is WH type. So yes, no means the answers that the questions that can be answered in yes or no. Simple. Mostly these questions begin with helping verbs. Mostly these questions begin with helping verbs. Are you happy? You will answer in yes or no. If you are happy, you will say yes. If you are not happy, you will say no. Are you hungry? Still, you can answer in yes or no. Simple. So, mostly these questions begin with helping verbs or modal auxiliaries. Is it okay? Modal auxiliaries. Suppose I want to ask, can you write a poem or can you recite a poem? So you will answer in yes or no. So yes, no type means when you are able to see forms of be, has, have, had, forms of do, does, forms of do, has, have, had, or modal auxiliaries can, could, shall, should, or modals. Is it okay? Clear? Then comes WH. Now WH means that cannot be answered in yes or no. Suppose I want to ask your name. I'll ask, what is your name? Can you answer in yes or no? I'm asking Anmol, what is your name? Anmol, can you answer in yes or no? What do you think? No, right? So WH questions require detailed answer. Is it okay? What are you doing? What are you eating? Where are you going? Is it okay? So these are two types. I hope these two types are clear. Clear. So we are going to start with yes, no type first. In yes, no type, if I am talking about yes, no, this type, in this type, the rule, basically, the rules are same. Basic rules are same. Basic rule means when you have to change the tense. Is it okay? Same rules should be followed. Present tense will change into past tense, continuous into continuous tense, then past into past. So you have to change the tenses according to the rules which we use in declarative sentences. Is it okay? Next is changes in the words of place, time and place. Tomorrow will change into the following day. Today will change into that day. Same rules are to be followed here also. But what is the change? Riya said to me, are you hungry? Now this is the question. Riya said to me, are you hungry? First thing is just check which type is this. Yes, no type, as you can see, helping verb. And you can answer this question in yes or no. So, yes, no question. Now, as I have told you, we have to remove commas, inverted commas. So for this, we are not supposed to use that. Don't use this word that. In interrogative sentences, you will not use that. In place of that, you are supposed to use if. Whether is also there, but the problem is you make mistakes. Don't write correct spellings. Is it okay? So if you don't remember the spellings, then it is better to use if. Is it okay? Use if. Yes, Bhavika, I am coming to that also. Just wait. So let's start. First comes Riya, as it is. In place of said to, as it is interrogative, we can write asked, inquired, okay, wanted to know. Then comes me. Done. We already know that it is yes, no type. We are going to use if as the conjunction. Done. Now, very important rule. And that rule is you need to change this part, means interrogative part, into declarative. Is it okay? Declarative sentence. The structure of declarative sentence. See, structure of interrogative sentences, verb plus subject. Structure of declarative sentences, it means you have to change the places of subject and verb. Clear? So now Riya asked me if second person pronoun is there, this will change according to the object. So Riya asked me if I was hungry. At the end, full stop. Why full stop? Because we have changed it into declarative form. Got it? So, Mehak, your answer is correct. And Bhavika, don't put question mark, Bhavika. Remove question mark. No, Adesh, that comes in declarative. It comes in declarative. Here you are asking somebody, okay? Asking somebody something. So you can write ask, demanded, or wanted to know anything. Got it? Was. Bhavika, it is was. Was is used. So next comes WH type. WH type. WH type includes WH words like which, what, why, where, when, how, whose, and other WH words, question words basically. Is it okay? Now, same in this also, you are not supposed to use that. You will not use that as conjunction. Clear? So the sentence is, this is the sentence. Ria asked me, what are you doing? First thing, check. Type is WH type. Whenever WH type is there, we will use that particular word, that WH word as a conjunction. No need to introduce any other conjunction. No need to use if or whether. In this, you will not use if or whether also, but you are going to use this word as a conjunction. Is it okay? Yes, Avni, correct answer. So, the answer is Ria asked me, use this word, what. Now, change the places of subject and verb. This is very important that you have to change the places of subject and verb. So, change the places of subject and verb. Use second form according to me. Ria asked me what I was doing, full stop. Got it? Yes, Mehak, correct answer. Samiksha, correct answer.